Let's document our design with a drawing. We'll save it first, give it a name of knuckle, and a description of boom knuckle. A drawing is created and we are presented with all the orthographic views as well as an isometric view. Let's start with a front view and project a top and right view as well as an isometric view. I'll remove the center lines for the isometric view and change its display to shaded. We can leverage all the dimensions that we used in feature creation by inserting them onto the drawing. SolidWorks does a great job of positioning them properly, and we can clean them up to our liking. We need to get some dimensions for the grease fitting port, and the best way to do this is with a section view. SolidWorks presents us with a section line. Hitting the Tab key changes its orientation, and I'll snap it to the center of the circle, then place the view. Simple. A detail view may also be useful, and that's just as easy. Draw a circle, and SolidWorks does the rest. As before, let's add the remaining dimensions to these new views and move them around to get our drawing just right. Let's save this drawing and start a new subassembly to create a kit that contains this knuckle and some bushings and pins that we can use in the boom assembly.